On the label, something similar to multi-line, because it is not for input the values, we have something named word wrap. By default, it is enabled or it is true, which means if I add some data inside of that, it will wrap and broken to the next line. Allow me to create a command button and add some extra values. For example, label 1 dot caption equal to any value it has. Again, label 1 dot caption, and maybe some string values, sample text. Alright, let's run the form, and because there is no background and it is same with form, allow me to change the background here, maybe something obvious like green, and let's change the font to bold, be more visible, maybe 10. Okay, and it can run. You see, when there is no space, gonna broke it. I disable the word wrap by make it false, and now I set Autosize. If I set Autosize true and run this form, as you see by default it has changed the size based on my current content. And start adding content, it will change the width. But if I combine Autosize and word wrap at the same time together, look what's gonna happen. Allow me to run the form. By first clicking, because I had that much space, it's breaking and changing the size vertically, actually adding the height. So Autosize by its alone gonna increase the size horizontally or changing the width, but if I combine it with word wrap, gonna resize vertically or changing the height. So don't confuse, and actually you could combine them together. And note that because Autosize it is enabled, if I change the width something maybe 60 and press enter or return key, it will resize here. And if I run form here and click to update, my width gonna be fixed and only the height gonna change. And in this case, doesn't matter if I set the height any values. Of course, by initial running it is, but after that won't be fixed. Let's try maybe 60 again. Run the form. You see, immediately after updating the caption, it will resize it and gonna continue.